Welcome to the fourth video on fundamentals of math. In this short lesson, you will learn how to add and subtract positive and negative numbers. First, what does signed mean? A signed number has a sign. Positive numbers may show a plus, but often we leave it out. Negative numbers show a minus. For example, +3 + 7, and -2, -6. We will do addition in three cases: positive plus positive, negative plus negative, one positive and one negative. Let us start with addition. Case 1, positive plus positive. Add the numbers. Keep the result positive. Examples: 3 + 4 = 7. Case 2, negative plus negative. Add their sizes. Keep the result negative. Examples: -3 + -4 = -7. Case 3, one positive and one negative. Compare their absolute values. Subtract the smaller number from the larger one. Give the answer the sign of the number with the larger absolute value. For example, 3 + -4. 4 is larger and negative. Result is -1. 10 + -1. 10 is larger and positive. Result is 9. If they are opposites, they cancel to 0. Example: 3 + -3 = 0. Think of subtraction as addition of the opposites. Any number minus another number equals the first number plus the opposite of the second number. Use the same three addition rules you just learned. Positive minus positive. Compare the numbers. If the first is larger, the result is positive. If the second is larger, the result is negative. If they are equal, the result is 0. Examples: 3 - 4 = -1. 10 - 1 = 9. 3 - 3 = 0. Negative minus negative. Picture the number line. The negative that is more to the right is the larger number. If the first is to the right, the result is positive. If the second is to the right, the result is negative. If they match, the result is 0. Examples: -3 - -4 = +1. -10 - -1 = -9. -3 - -3 = 0. Notice, subtracting a negative makes two minus signs cancel. Positive minus negative. The minus signs cancel, so it becomes addition. The result is positive. Examples: 3 - -4 = 7. 10 - -1 = 11. Negative minus positive. You move farther into the negatives. The result is negative. Examples: -3 - 4 = -7. -10 - 1 = -11. Two final reminders. Addition order does not matter. Example: 3 + 4 = 4 + 3. Subtraction order does matter. Example: 3 - 4 = -1. But 4 - 3 = +1. Practice each case and you will master signed numbers. For further information about absolute value, number line, and opposites, please watch lecture number 3.